Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I take you on virtual tours of the most exciting places around the world. Today, we're diving into the vibrant, sun-soaked city of Los Angeles. Yeah, that's right, the city of angels. So buckle up, because we're in for a treat. First stop, Hollywood. No trip to LA is complete without walking down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Spot your favorite celebrity stars on the sidewalk and snap a pic with the iconic Hollywood sign in the background. And while you're there, don't forget to check out the TCL Chinese Theater with its celebrity handprints. Now, if you're looking for a place to stay, downtown LA offers some of the best options. From luxurious hotels like the Ritz-Carlton to more budget-friendly spots like the Freehand, you'll find something that suits your style. But LA is not just about the glitz and glam. Let's explore its rich culture. Head over to the Getty Center for stunning art collections and breathtaking views of the city, or visit the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, also known as LACMA, where you'll find an incredible range of exhibits. Feeling hungry? LA's food scene is something you can't miss. Grab some tacos from a food truck, enjoy sushi in Little Tokyo, or savor some authentic Korean BBQ in Koreatown. And if you're a fan of fusion food, LA's got you covered with its endless array of innovative eateries. For some fun in the sun, Venice Beach is where you want to be. Stroll along the boardwalk, watch the street performers, and maybe even take a dip in the Pacific. And if you're into fitness, Muscle Beach is the place to see some serious workout action. LA is also home to some hidden gems like the Griffith Observatory. Take a hike up to this iconic spot for a panoramic view of the city and a chance to stargaze through their telescopes. And who could forget the vibrant and colorful murals of the Arts District? Perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Before we wrap this up, I want to give a shout out to the people of LA. Their diversity and creativity make this city truly special. You'll meet people from all walks of life, each bringing their own unique flavor to the mix. All right, that's a wrap for today's virtual tour of Los Angeles. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below on what place you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe for more virtual tours around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.